video has been sponsored by King Maps, FiveGuard, and JustScripts. Check their website in the description.
Hello everyone, welcome to Zexus development. In this video, we are going to install a script through which when we go AFK, our character will function like an NPC. So without any further ado, let's get to the installation process. So this is the script which we are going to install into a FiveM server. I'll put the link in the description below. You just need to scroll down over here, then click over here and download the script. After downloading it, we just need to extract the file into our FiveM resource folder. So I'll be extracting it over here. Just like this. Now open the file, open the config.lua. From here we can configure our whole script. From here we can configure the AFK timeout. From how many minutes the AFK should start, we can configure that from here. After that, if you want the AFK character should be invincible, that no one can kill it when the person go AFK, for that you just need to keep it on true, otherwise you can change it to false. So yes guys, that's it for the config part. Now let's start the server. So we are in a server now. Now let's go over here. Now over here, let's stand AFK for some times. So as you can see over here, our character become NPC now. As you can see, it is walking like an NPC. As you can see over here, it will follow the path of the NPC. As you can see, to get back to normal, we just need to type /back. Just like this, as you can see. Now let's test it with the vehicle. So let's go AFK over here. So as you can see, now our character is behaving like an NPC. As you can see, it will drive the vehicle just like an NPC. It will follow all the traffic rules and will properly behave like an NPC, as you can see. So let's get back to normal. So just like this, you can use this script into your FiveM server. So yes guys, that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more videos related to FiveM development. Goodbye.